Hello, welcome to my channel where I talk everything on how to succeed as a skilled, sought after virtual assistant. I'll teach you how you can become a hot cake. Clients will run after you, they want your services. So today I'm going to be teaching us how we can help your clients or how you can help your clients manage their email in terms of cleaning their email and taking it down to inbox zero. So today I'm going to show us how you're going to achieve that. So you shouldn't maybe you get a VA job, executive assistant job, and the client is like, oh, can you help me clean my email? Can you help me? So don't be scared. I'm going to show us the right way to do it. Sorry about that. I'm going to show us the right way to achieve that. So let's get it started. Welcome once again. Okay, let's go. Now, this is my email. I'm going to be using my own email, my own inbox for this particular exercise. Okay, so this is it. Now, you can see my inbox is scattered. Yeah, with a lot of messages, emails from different clients. So, let's start with the first thing. We need to go to click here, and we need to go to manage subscription. Now what I want to do is I want to take off some emails that I subscribed to in the past, and I don't need them anymore. I don't need their service. I don't want to receive those emails anymore, so I want to take them off. So that's what you're going to do for your client. You take those, you ask him that you want to help him to remove those emails that he doesn't need anymore, that he has subscribed to. Maybe subscribe to their newsletter and you don't need them anymore. So you have to take them off. That is the first thing. Now you have to come to manage subscription and you click on it. Okay. So now these emails you can see on the screen, these emails, I subscribe to all these newsletter, yes, from different people or company. See them. So now I want to remove the ones that I no longer need. So you see I have a lot, quite a lot, quite a lot. Now I want to remove the ones I no longer need. So what do? I come to this unsubscribe, where you have this unsubscribe buttons. You click on it. You get, now let's click on this one. Let me unsubscribe this. Okay, click on it. Now see, unsubscribe. That means I'll no longer receive any email from these people anymore. Now, who's this? Okay, one of my Upwork clients. I want to unsubscribe. This Upwork. Oh, this one is taking me to the website. No, I don't want this. I just need something that I can unsubscribe here straight up. Now, okay. Which again? Okay, let me unsubscribe Nvidia. Go schedule. Let me unsubscribe. Unsubscribe. You can see unsubscribe from mailing list. So no longer receive email from this particular clients or company again. So let me see if I have another one. Okay, let me unsubscribe from this. This one, let's just block this. I don't need this anymore. Let me just block it. But if it's you, you can unsubscribe from it. He wants to take us to their website. That's another long process. I don't want this video to be too long. So basically, that's what you do. You just click on it and you unsubscribe. Click on it and you unsubscribe. See this one, unsubscribe. You unsubscribe from it. These ones. Okay, I don't think I have any other one I want to unsubscribe from. Capterra, and you unsubscribe from it. Okay. Okay, so you have to ask your clients so you know the right email mailing list to unsubscribe from. Yeah, you know the right email to take off. So you have to ask questions. Don't do it on your own. So you don't unsubscribe emails that he or she still want to receive their newsletter. So that's it. Now the next thing we are going to do, okay, I think I'm okay here. I'm okay here. So the next thing we're going to do is let's go back to our inbox. Now I will no longer receive emails from those those people anymore. So what I'm going to do now, another thing we're going to do is create a label, you know, that when you have maybe you have a particular company that you always receive their emails. Now instead of this one looking scattered, now I have women in cloud digital. So instead of me, just seeing everything all clustered here, I can create a label so that when I receive any email from this or I want to check check emails from this particular company, I will just come here. It should be the label will be here like all those ones now. I have the Indeed, I have Visa Job, Upwork. These are companies that I receive emails from. I receive their newsletter. So let's say for example now I want to create for this one. I just come here, click create new label. Now women what in cloud digital. Okay, women in cloud digital. Okay, now click create. What's this? Now this one means where do you want it to stay under? You want it to stay under Upwork, you want it to stay under Visa Job. So you can choose anyone. If you don't want, you can just leave it. Okay. Next label under. So let's just create. Now we see it. This is it. It's now under Indeed. Okay. But you can choose not to if you don't want to. So now I want us to also create a filter that once this email comes, it will automatically enter here. This one I just create. You can maybe you want to do it. Let's say you want to send these ones to it. Okay. Now you can move them. All these ones you can manually move them. Manually move them to this. Now we've moved them to here. See now when we click on this, you see it will populate here. This is it. This is manual. Now I always want to make things easy, and that is why your clients hire you, for you to make life easy for them and also for yourself as well. So I love automation. Now this is more like automation, but it's a simple automation. So what we do, let's go back here. You come this place here, you click on it, it's coming up. Okay. Now we want to create filter so that when any email coming from women in cloud, instead of them showing on just our inbox here, it will just automatically enter women in cloud. So let's say women in cloud, or we sorry, let me get their email. Let me get their email. I need their email so that any email coming from this particular place to just go. So we have to copy their email here. Women in cloud at network.co. So let's copy it. Now let's go back. So come here. Now let's click here. So sorry, is it? Now any email coming from here to my own inbox. This is my email. Okay. Now You might not know the subject. You get. Now let's come here. We don't know the right words, complete words. We don't know what they are sending. So we can't really, put anything here. So now you can choose if you want to do, the size of the email. You want to filter the number of email that as in the size of the particular email that can enter here. You can do that if you wish to. That means if anyone that is above that, it will not enter here. So there's no need for that. So now you want to pick a date or days, number of days. Okay. So you can just do that for 1 year. So for the complete 1 year, any email coming this from this company will come into this place. So now, okay, so you just click create filter. Okay. Now, so when a message is an exact match for your search filter, you don't need, you just come somewhere here. Okay, if you want to add the label, choose label. This is it. Indeed. Anything to choose from here. Any for category. No, leave category. So you can say you don't want it to be sent to spam. You should just go direct to that place. It all depends on if you want to mark it as important email, you can click here. So any email that comes from that particular um, email client, it will just enter into this one and it will star important. So no need for all this. Just choose apply the label whenever that email comes in. Then you say create filter. Then you say create filter. So now say your filter was what? Created. Okay. So now any email coming from Women in Cloud will just automatically enter into this place. You get? So that's how to do it. Now you can also, if you want to archive email, you can archive them. 1 second. Okay. No need. If you want to archive, it's not difficult to archive. You can just click on this, click on this. Then you come here. Archive is more like you putting it somewhere that it's more like deleting anyway, but you can keep it. If you want to delete, if you want to keep, you want to move. Sorry, this is the button. Sorry. To archive, you just archive it. You archive it. You archive it. So that's it. So I hope when you watch this video, you should be able to like help your clients, keep help them keep their inbox to inbox zero, those emails that they don't want, those um emails they don't want to receive anymore. You can help them to keep it. You can help them to you can take it off from their inbox, and unsubscribe so that they don't receive emails from those clients anymore or companies anymore. And you once you're done with that, you notice that their inbox is clean and neat, and you get your money. And most freelancers they offer this service and they make money from it. Yeah, they make money from it, cool money. One of my students made $100 from this particular, just helping a client to, you know, clean their inbox. So that's it. You can also create templates. Maybe you're sending email, you want a template that you can use to respond to an email. That will be in another video. I don't want this video to be too long, so just understand this and put it to work. All right, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Like and continue to follow me for more updates on how to succeed as a skilled sought after virtual assistant. SSSVA. Bye for now.